Good morning, children! Welcome to day 20 of our 21 days reading program. Today, we're going to learn how to read long sound U. Children, let's read the words with U sound. U. Say it again, children. U. K. U. K. U. Q. Q. Bl. U. Bl. U. Blue. Blue. G. U. G. U. Glue. Glue. Let's read the words with youth sound. Youth. Say it again, children. Youth. K. Youth. K. Youth. Cute. Cute. Youth. Youth. Mute. Mute. Full. Youth. Full. Youth. Flute. Flute. Let's read the words with yub sound. Yub. Yub. Say it again, children. Yub. T. Yub. T. Yub. Tube. Tube. K. Yub. K. Yub. Cube. Cube. Yun sound. Yun. Say it again, children. Yun. J. Yun. J. Yun. June. June. T. Yun. T. Yun. Tune. Tune. Words with your sound. Your. Say it again, children. Your. K. Your. K. Your. Cure. Cure. P. Your. P. Your. Pure. Pure. Let's read the words with Yule sound. Yule. Say it again, children. Yule. 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 Mule. Mule. Yule. Yule. Rule. Rule. Let's read the words with us sound. Us. Us. Say it again, children. Us. 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 Moose. Moose. G. Us. G. Us. Goose. Goose. Let's read the words with ul sound. Ul. Say it again, children. Ul. K. Ul. K. And other words like tool, tool, and school, school. Let's read the words with oot sound. Oot, oot. Say it again, children. Oot. T, oot, t, oot. Toot, toot. B, oot, b, oot. Boot, boot. Children, some words with long U sound are ending with AW, as in U sound. U. For example, bl, U, bl, U, blue, blue. N, U, n, U, new, new. P, U, p, U, pew, pew. Ch, U, ch, U, chew, chew. Fill, U, fill, U, flew, flew. Way to go, children! Let's meet again for our Day 6 lesson.